Here are my 5 top tips, guys, to finish every track you make. Don't look for perfection. When you create a new track, output some creative ideas onto the project and don't look for the perfect sound, don't look for the perfect thing, just output. Number 2, you have to really limit yourself. I know there's so many synths outside, so many plugins available, so many things to do. However, if you do like me when I do my episode, you limit yourself to 1 or 2 synths that you know very well, that you know you're able to get something that you will put in your track really quickly. Number 3, you have to turn your weakness into strength. What I mean by that is simple. If you're not such a great composer, maybe you want to get some MIDI. If you maybe not so good at making beats, get some drum loop, get some sample packs. By the way, we have some great one on our site, Remain Dance Music. Number 4, guys, you have to start with 16 bars. You make the track, put down the idea, like I said in number 1. Once you have 16 bars, what I personally like to do, I drop all the volume, start mixing everything again, pull some element in and out, layering. You just start with 16 bars. Don't try to make a whole track right away. Start short, it will be. Number 5, guys, and very important one, if you really are not yet there to finish every track you make, but you think you have an amazing idea, get in touch with us. We offer rework services. What I mean by this is simple. You send us your project in Ableton, Logic, Cubase, or FL Studio. We're gonna work in the project, send it back to you, like with our professional touch. Imagine that I make music for 25 years. I made a couple thousand tracks really in those years. I will put all of my knowledge into your track. So it will still be your track. I will not change the melody unless you want me to, but you'll be able to have a brand new track. This is, check it out, rework service in the link below. And until next time, may the sound be with you.